Hello. In today's episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes, I'm going to be talking about Kajabi Funnels. And the funnel area in Kajabi is under Marketing in the toolbar on the left. And there you see Funnels. And when you click there, you can go New Funnel, and you'll see that there's a dozen or so funnel templates for you to choose from, also with kind of a blank template. And each of these templates will have their own purpose. And before you use a funnel, I recommend you just watch the learn how or show me how little video. They're usually a minute or less. And it gives you a great idea of what this funnel is intended to do from Kajabi's perspective. And so the funnel space in Kajabi is pretty cool. I do want to mention that you are able to recreate all of these funnels outside of the funnel space, just using landing pages, forms, automations, checkout pages. So you don't need to use a funnel, and that's good to know because the funnels are limited in the Kajabi plans. And so you just need to be aware that while you can make them in the funnel space, you can also replicate the funnel outside of Kajabi using those other tools. There are some benefits, though, to using the funnel space. One of them is you get a little bit of different analytics for the funnel, which can be nice. It's not super amazing, but it is nice. And another one, probably the biggest benefit, is that Kajabi lets you see all of the pieces to your funnel kind of in its own unique little funnel toolbar. While you're editing a page, it's on the left, and you can kind of bounce between the spaces really easily. If you're jumping from a landing page to a form or to a checkout page or to an email, it all happens really seamlessly all in one spot, saving you from either using multiple tabs in your browser or closing and navigating into a different spot and opening something up and then closing it and navigating back to another spot and opening it. Within the funnel builder, it's all right there, and you can get all of those different things at once, which is pretty cool. There's also a little bit of a visual element of being able to see your funnel all at once, where it shows you, you've got this page, and then this page comes next, and these are the automations that are attached here with a form, and this is the email sequence. And so that visual representation of the funnel is kind of useful. The funnel space in general is pretty cool, and I do like using it. Keep in mind, though, like I mentioned earlier, if you run out of your funnel quotas, you are able to just build all of those things outside of the funnel space using those elements that are used in the funnel space. One last benefit that I'd like to mention about the funnel builder specifically is all of the automations and connections linking from one step to the next is already done. And so that can be useful. I'd say for people who are new to Kajabi, the funnel builder will be really helpful because it builds all of those connections for you. And when I say connections, I mean the action from the sales page on the button links to either the thank you page or the checkout page. And the form subscribes to the email sequence. Those automations are already there. Now, just because those automations are there doesn't mean you won't want to add some new automations. I always recommend adding a tag automation to all of the actions that someone does on your site. So when you go into your contacts list, you can see what a person has done. Something else to know about funnels is that if you go into your pages, website pages or landing pages, when you click into one of those, across the top in the toolbar there, you'll see funnel pages. And all of your funnel pages that are made from using a funnel template are actually stored there. And you can go and edit them and do all sorts of things in that space as well. So that is the funnels area in a nutshell. And if you haven't gone and checked out those funnel templates, go and watch some of those short videos. It's great to know what tools are available to you.